Ho, 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 ho!
Today is December 7th, so it is day 7 of our 1989 Batmobile build. Also, bag 7 worth of parts. It's also Pearl Harbor Day, so take a moment and remember those who were lost on that day. And let's get into bag number 7. That is it for bag number 7. So again, we're just concentrating on all of this mechanical stuff here in the middle. But that will do it for bag 7. Stay tuned tomorrow for bag number 8.